Hey, what's up guys? Keith Weldon here, and I'm about to do a quick test of a new app I'm making called White Noise EVP Recorder. Now I'm gonna do a sort of tutorial walkthrough of the app at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, I'm here at my house, gonna be testing out the White Noise EVP recorder. Got it hooked up to my Bluetooth speaker here. Gonna go ahead and hit record. Are there any spirits in this house that would like to communicate? Can you please tell me your name or let me know that you're here? Do you know who I am? 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 Can you say my name? Are you from this area? Can you say what town this is? And lastly, can you give me any message? Do you have any messages for me? Please let me know. Come through, use the white noise and record your message onto this device, please. Alright, so that's a quick test of the White Noise EVP recorder. I just wanted to make a simple app that had a recorder, an audio recorder, and white noise together. And it's an idea I had for a little while. I've been experimenting with using white noise like the sleep machines, white noise generators, just doing EVP sessions near running water, things like that. And I've always noticed that it will definitely increase the amount of responses that you get. So I thought of an app where I can turn on and off the white noise while I'm doing my EVP session, and that's basically what this app does. So as you can see, it definitely increased the amount of responses. I know I've done EVP sessions in at places, you know, EVP session after EVP session, and not gotten any responses. So the white noise does help increase the amount of responses you get because you're supplying spirits with the sound. Now, unlike the ITC apps or ghost boxes, these have no speech sounds or anything. It's just white noise, so you can rule out false positives in that manner. So the overall quality doesn't really get increased, but the amount does. And so that's what this app is designed to do. So if you're doing an EVP session, you can easily supply sound for spirits to manipulate and give you a response on the recorder. I simply, when I was done with the recording, I went into the file manager and I uploaded it to Google Drive. I downloaded it to and imported it into Audacity. I cranked up the volume on it and I went through and I just picked out all the EVPs that I could find. And that's what that video was. So anyway, like I said, this is just a simple app, simple recording app that you can supply white noise with. I'm gonna do a tutorial walkthrough here in a second. But yeah, it's gonna be on Google Play and iOS, and I think it's gonna be about $1.99 or something like that. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you that new app that I've been working on. And I hope you guys enjoyed the Deadwave app, Necrophonic, all my other apps that you guys use. I appreciate it. Hey, what's up, guys? This is the new white noise EVP recorder app. It's a pretty simple just audio recorder that has white noise on it. So this screen right here is the basic audio recorder. You got your record, pause, and stop. Mic input up here. If you hook up like a Bluetooth microphone, it should show up right here if you want to use that instead of the device itself. Where it says record saved, it'll give you the directory for the files that are saved. You can load your files, delete your files, and rename your files. And then down here you can play back the audio that's been recorded. Now the white noise settings, if you go to settings, this is where you can pick the white noise and apply any effects. So if you drop this down, let's just go with Ocean 3. If I turn this on, that's what it sounds like. So low pass, high pass, and pitch. Now if I turn this on and I apply the effect, I can now if I add the random effect to it, you'll see what happens. And the same thing for low pass and high pass. So there's these effects that you could apply to the white noise sounds and the volume. This is important. You don't want your white noise to be overpowering. If it's too loud and overpowering, you won't be able to get as many EVPs. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go with I'm just gonna go with the pitch on random. When you're done with your settings, you can just go to done. Now when you're back on this screen, there's an on and off button right here. It will turn on the white noise and whatever effects you have set. So the idea behind this app was to just make a simple recording app that you can turn on white noise. So if you hit record, you can ask your question, then you can simply turn on the white noise and allow the spirits to use that supplied sound to manipulate it and create a message or EVP onto the recording. That's the whole basic concept of this app. So for instance, is there anyone here with me right now? Then you could just keep asking questions and using the white noise like that. You stop the recording. This tells you the where it says record saved. That is where you can find it on your device, your phone, tablet, whatever. You just go into that, use the file manager, go into these files, and you'll find the WAV file there. Now, you can also rename, let's call it if you can use that, and you can rename that file. And you could also use this to delete the file.